Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Bellibolt. So I think Bellibolt is a super cute Pokemon. We are going to start drawing Bellibolt with the belly. So very round. But before I do a full circle, I'm going to do a little arm right here, like that. And now I can finish this circle. All right, so inside, we're going to do another circle and another one. And I'm going to put a little, just almost like two little circles here, one here and one here, kind of joined together. And that's just going to be kind of like where the light is hitting the belly. And we can put another little arm right here. And right here, we can start working on the shape of the head. And come on up and curve. So right here, we're going to do an eye. So we've got a kind of like a hill, and then we're coming on down like that. And over here, we can do another hill for the other eye. And then we can bring this line down, and we're going to curve. And over on this side, we can curve, and we can do a little foot. So we can do like an oval for the foot, and then come along this way and meet up with this line. And we can do another little foot right here. All right, so we can do a little symbol here. It's kind of like a triangle, but now we curve and come on up and then back down. And we're gonna put like a little mark right here too. Now let's do a little mark up here on the top of the head. Do like a little U shape and then like another one. And now we can do a straight line across and have almost like a little circle here and on the other side. And then come on down and come on up like a smile. And then we're going to do a line and then curve and meet up with that other line. And now we can do an oval right here and one right here. And now that almost looks like two eyes and a smile, but these are actually kind of like little nostrils. So we can do the inside of the eyes here. So we'll do an oval and then another one. And over here, same thing. Oval and another one. And the inside one we can color in all dark. Okay, I think he is so cute. All right, I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished drawing Bellibolt. So I think he turned out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next. And thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here for our next Daily Doodle. Bye!